Hey guys, I got a great one for you today. TMI. American Saying Series. Too much information. TMI is usually written, but you can also say it. Or you can just say, too much information. You don't need to say anything else. It's one of those easy things you can learn to say. So you say it or write it when somebody shared something too personal with you, personal about themselves, not about you, or the information is embarrassing to the one saying it. They're not embarrassing you, but they're embarrassing themselves. So you say, too much information, man. So this does not mean somebody gave you too much information like a professor or your mother might. You can only say it when the information is personal or embarrassing. It's not too much general information. Bill and Rick are coworkers. Yo, man, what'd you do this weekend? Yeah, we went to Vegas. It was awesome, dude. We hired some strippers and... TMI, dude. TMI. So Bill didn't want to hear about what Rick did. It's kind of obvious what was embarrassing about that conversation. In summary, use TMI or say too much information when somebody says or writes something that is number one, too personal, or number two, it's too embarrassing. Thanks for watching.